Hi friends, welcome to Laxmails 31. I am Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to explain about the differences between sets and groups in Tableau. Let's get started. It's pretty normal to get confused between sets and groups in Tableau, as they both combine the units you have selected and create a new set or group with the data. There are differences between the two that I will try to sum up. Let's see the differences between sets and group one by one. Sets are dynamic, whereas groups are static. You can create dynamic sets based on conditions. When the data changes, sets update with it automatically, whereas the groups won't update automatically. For example, if we have 100 records today in our data set and tomorrow you may get 100 more records, a set will identify the new records and update the set based on the new data as well as the existing data, and whereas the groups won't update automatically as it won't find the new records updated. Sets provide the flexibility as you can link them to a condition, whereas we can't create groups based on conditions. It has to be created statically. You can create set on more than one dimension, whereas groups can be created on only one dimension. Sets can be combined and we can create a new set based on the combined sets, whereas groups can't be combined. These are the differences between sets and groups. Hope you find my video helpful. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails 31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.